Good morning. This one is the language review class. Okay, today we have our language evaluation, and for that reason, we have a review class. Okay, for understanding better the topic. And in this case, the topic that we discuss or that we review is the capitalization rules. Okay, you know that we have around 11 rules of capitalization. So we try to understand better, okay, the use of them, and we try to apply to different exercises. Yes, okay, that I present today. So let's see. Let's start. Today is the language review class. We are on week 23rd. Yes, and okay, today is Monday, September 7th, 2020. Okay, imagine we are in the September month. Okay, and if you notice here in this slide, okay, so let's see, language review class. Okay, we write the first letter in capital letter. Why? Because this one is a title, and for that reason we write with capital letter. If you notice Monday, okay, this one is the date of a week, so we write with capital letter according to the rule. September, this one is a month of the year, so we write with capital letter because we apply the rule number 3, okay, that is capitalize the days of the week and the month of the year. And obviously the topic, because this one is a title, okay, so we write with capital letter. Okay, let's start. Capitalization rules. Okay, first one, we have this one, the pronoun I. You know that the pronoun I, okay, we use for telling the information that we develop. For example, I am playing basketball, okay. So, yo estoy jugando basket. In this case, we use as pronoun, okay, and we always capitalize this personal pronoun, I. Okay, in every sentence that you write, in every sentence that you have in a book, okay, you can see the pronoun I with capital letter because this one is the one of the rules of the capitalization. Then we have beginning of a sentence. Today is sunny. Okay, this one is a short sentence. This could be a simple sentence, but we write the first letter in capital letter, okay? Today, the letter T, the capital T, because it's at the beginning of the sentence. Today is sunny. And in this case, we apply the rule number 1. Okay, and according to our book on page 43, the rule says, number 1, capitalize the first word in every sentence and every direct quotation. Okay, you know that the direct quotation are the phrases or the expression that we write in quotation marks. Okay, that's meaning in Spanish, entre comillas. Yes, okay, so we always start with capital letter. And the rule number 2 says that we capitalize the word I, in this case is the pronoun. Yeah, for example, if I said, may I go to the circus next Tuesday? Okay, may I? Okay, this I, we write with capital letter because we apply the rule number 2, that is capitalize the word I. Maybe, okay, we can say, I have not seen the circus. Okay, so this one is a sentence, but we start with capital letter. Yes? Okay, so let's see. That's me. Rule number 1, capitalize the first word of every sentence and every direct quotation. Rule number 2, capitalize the word I. Okay, excellent. Let's continue. Now we check the rule number 3. We capitalize the days of the week and the month of the year. Yeah, but not the seasons. You know that the seasons, okay, in Spanish means estaciones. Okay, that means you don't capitalize autumn, spring, fall, summer, winter, all of this one you don't write with capital letter. Yeah, okay, so this one are the seasons, so this one is an exception. The months of the year, yeah, in English we always write with capital letters. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. And obviously, okay, we write with capital letter the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So this one is the rule number 3. We capitalize the days of the week and the months of the year. Excellent. Now we continue. This one is other rule, names of people or things And also names of places. This one is the rule number 7. Okay, we capitalize the names of particular persons, of a particular place, or maybe of a particular thing. And in this case, we have the name of people. Okay, Tommy, Luke. For example, if I say Rosita, Mateo, okay, Ariela, Genesis. Okay, all of these one are proper names, so you write with capital letter. This one is a particular name of a person. For example, if you say, okay, Coca-Cola, let me see, Petit, okay, that is the name of a juice, yes, okay, let's see, popcorn, okay, so all of these one are proper names of common things. So in this case, we write with capital letter. Then we have name of places, America, Walmart, Pine Park, okay, maybe the name of a street, yeah, Utila Street, the name of a monument, El Salvador del Mundo Monument, so you write with capital letter. Let me see, Wendy's, let me see, Burger King, Pizza Hut, all of these one are proper names, so you write with capital letter because we apply the rule number 7 that says that we capitalize the name of a particular person, place, or thing. Let's continue. We have other rules. The first word in every line of poetry. Okay, what is that? That's mean when you write a poem, okay, the first letter in every phrase or in every verse you write with capital letter. For example, we have a poem in Spanish. Mi madre es una rosa, mi padre es un clavel y yo soy un botoncito acabado de nacer. Okay, so the first letter of this poem you write with capital letter. Yes? Okay, if you notice, okay, you can write a poem, but you can write the first letter with capital letter. Okay, then we have the holidays and special days. This one is the rule number 5. So we capitalize holidays and special days. For example, holidays, Valentine's Day, Independence Day, okay, let me see, Christmas Day, New Year, okay, special days, the Mother's Day, Father's Day, Children's Day, okay, all of this one you write with capital letter. Yes, in this case we apply the rule number 5. Okay, the first and last words and all important words in the title of books, magazines, newspapers, poems, stories, and songs. Okay, for example, the title of your book, in this case, the title of the language book is God's Gift of Language A. Okay, if you notice the title of the book, okay, the first letter is, or the first letter in the word is written with capital letter because this one is an important title, so we write with capital letter. If you notice the title of Bible, the Bible, okay, every first letter is with capital letter. Okay, let me see, a spelling book, okay, a spelling is with capital letter because this one is the title of a book, so we write in capital letter. El diario de hoy, la prensa gráfica, the New York Times, okay, all of this one you write with capital letter because this one is the title of a newspaper or maybe a magazine, okay. Let's continue. Words such as mother, father, grandmother, and grandfather when they are used as names. Okay, what is that? For example, when you use grandmother, okay, all these 4 words, okay, you use as a noun, that's mean as the subject of the sentence, you write with capital letter. As example, if you say, okay, mom, I finished my homework. Okay, in this case, you don't say the proper name of your mom. You say mom, okay, but you write with capital letter. It's the same if you say, let me see, Rosita, I'm finished. Yeah, okay, so you write with capital letter. Okay, for example, grandmother, I want to eat a cake. Okay, so you write with capital letter because you use this name, grandmother, as the subject of the sentence. Yes? Okay, names referring to God and the Bible. Okay, for example, all the Bible books, you write with capital letter. All the names referring to God, you write with capital letters. Yes? Okay, Jesus Christ, our Savior, the Messiah, Bethlehem, yeah, New Testament, Old Testament, Prince of Peace. Okay, so all of this one you write with capital letter because our name is referring to God and also the Bible. This one is the rule number 8. Rule number 9. Initials, okay, and the title of a person when it comes before a name. Okay, for example, let's see, when you say Mr. Guillermo, okay, Miss Patty, Miss Julie, okay, President Bukele, okay, all of these one are titles, so you write with capital letter. Yes, because you are referring to the title of a person, and this one comes before a name. Okay, the name in this case, Mr. Guillermo, is Guillermo, and the title is Mr., so you write with capital letter. Yes? Okay, excellent. We have some exercises here. Okay, I went to France last year. And we have 3 sentences. Okay, we analyze carefully every word in the sentence because we need to choose what is the best sentence. Okay, if it is the option A, B, or C. For example, in the option A, I went to France last year. Okay, year is with capital letter, but according to the rules, we don't write with capital letter, yeah? Okay, option B, I went to France last year. Okay, France is the proper name of a place and we write with capital letter, so I consider that this one is correct. Letter C, I went to France last year. Okay, the pronoun I is with capital letter. The word France is with capital letter, and this one is the name of a place. And year is with capital letter, but this one is not possible because we don't write year with capital letter. That means the best option is the option B. Okay, so let's see. You analyze every sentence, yeah, that you have, because it is important that you understand or you apply every capitalization rule and you check if the words are written in the correct way or with the correct capitalization, or the word that is with capital letter will be correct, yeah. Okay, number 2. John and Amy traveled across Europe last year. Okay, we have 3 options in this case. In the first option, okay, John is a proper name with capital letter. Amy is written in the uppercase letter. Okay, and Europe, that is the name of a country, okay, is not with capital letter. And the option B, John and Amy, okay, both are written with capital letter, but Europe is not written with capital letter, so this one is not the best option. In the option C, John, Amy, that are proper names, are written with capital letter, that's good. Europe, that is the name of a place, and you know according to the rule that you write with capital letter, so that means this one is the best option, the option C. Yes? Okay, excellent. Number 3, Alaska is especially beautiful in the summer. Okay, we continue with the 3 options. Let's check everyone. Alaska is especially beautiful in the summer. Alaska is with capital letter, that's good. Okay, option B. Alaska is especially beautiful in the summer, but summer is written with capital letter, but according to the rule, okay, we don't write the seasons with capital letter. No, letter C. Alaska is especially beautiful in the summer. Okay, beautiful is an adjective and it's not possible that we write with capital letter because this one is not the name of a title. So in this case, the correct option is the option A, because we only write Alaska with capital letter because this one is a proper name of a place. Yes? Okay. Number 4, Mr. Scott gave us a lot of homework. Okay, Mr. Scott gave us a lot of homework, option A. But Mr., okay, this one is the title of a person, okay, and this one comes before a name, it's good. Scott is the name, so we write it capital letter, that's okay. As, okay, in this case, this one is an adjective, so we don't write with capital letters, so the option A is not the correct option. And letter B, Mr. Scott, okay, both are written in capital letter. I consider that this one is the best option, but let's check the option C. In this case, Mr. is written with a lowercase letter, so this one is not the correct answer. Why? Because Mr. We applied the rule number 11, that we capitalize the title of a person. Okay, in this case, the title of Scott is Mr. And we don't have in this sentence written with capital letters. So that means the best option is the option B. Number 5. Karen moved from England to the United States last year. Okay, one more time. We have 3 options and we check everyone. Okay, Karen moved to England to the United States last year. Let's see. In this case, Karen is with capital letter. That's good. But England is a place and is written with lowercase letters. So it's not possible the best option. Option B. Karen is written with capital letter. It's a proper name. England, it's a proper name. So we work with capital letter. That's good. And the United States. And option C. Karen moved to England. To the United States last year. In this case, we have last year with capital letter, and this one is not the correct form because we don't write last and year with capital letter. So that's mean in this case, the best option is the option B. Let's continue. We have a paragraph here and we apply the different rules that we understand or we learn in the classes. Yes? Okay, many of John's friends think he has a boring daily routine, but John likes it. Okay, in this case, the first one, the capital M, okay, at the beginning of the sentence is correct. The capital J, because this one is a proper name, John's, okay, so we work with capital letter, we circle, this is a mistake in the sentence, yes. One more time, we have the capital J in John, because this one is a proper name, so we need to work with capital letter. Then we have the second sentence. He always gets up at 6 o'clock every morning and says good morning to his wife and kids, and after breakfast, he arrives at work around 7:30. In this case, he, okay, we work with capital letter because this one starts the sentence. So this one is the first letter in the sentence. We work with capital letter. Good. Okay, remember the rule number 1 that says that you write, okay, the first letter in the sentence with capital letter and also every direct quotation. And in this case, good morning is a direct quotation, so we'll write with capital letter. Okay, next sentence. He works at a small store called Super Safe Supermarket. In this case, okay, we have another sentence and we start with capital letter. Then we have the name of a place, okay, that is a particular place, Super Safe Market, so we write with capital letter because this is a proper name. Next sentence, it's located in New York. After work, okay, it's located in New York. First one, we start with the beginning of the sentence. We write with capital letter and then a proper place that in this case is New York. Then we have other sentence that is after work. He says goodbye to his boss, Mr. Smith, and then goes home. In this case, we write the capital A in after because this one is the first letter in the sentence. Also the letter G in goodbye because this one is a direct quotation. Mr. we write the letter M, okay, with capital letter because this one is a title of a person. Smith because this one is a proper name, so we write with capital letter. Next sentence. On weekends, he likes to play with his son, Thomas, and his daughter, Barbara. We start the sentence with the word on, so we work with capital letter. We have a proper name that in this case is Thomas, and we have other proper name that is the name of the girl that is Barbara, so we work with capital letter. Then we have the letter M in maybe because this one starts the sentence. Okay, John's because this one is a proper name, it's a particular name of a person, so we write with capital letter. Okay, maybe John's routine really is a little boring, but he enjoys it. So if you notice, we apply different rules. We apply the rule number 1, that is to capitalize the first letter in the sentence. We apply, let me see, the rule number 6, okay, that we capitalize the names of a particular places or person, okay. Also, we apply the rule number 11, that is capitalize the title of a particular person. Okay, so it is important that we understand better the rules and also that we apply in the correct form. Let's continue. Now we have here 5 examples. Okay, Monday. You know that these one are days of the week, month of the year, and also holidays. So we work with capital letter. February. Okay, if you notice, the first letter is in capitalization. St. Patrick's Day, okay, also we work with capital letter. Saturday with the capital S, and Wednesday with the capital W, okay? So let's see. Now we have this list of common nouns, and we write the proper noun of this one. For example, a store. Okay, Nike. Okay, this one is a store, a shoe store. So we write with capital letter because this is the proper noun. Okay, car. Nissan. This one is the trend of a car. Okay, you can write different. For example, Volkswagen, BMW, Toyota. Let's see, Audi, etc. Okay, we have the candy. Okay, nerds. Okay, we have these little sweet candies. Okay, that are in the box, in a little box. Okay, so this one are delicious. Then we have the girl. Okay, a proper name could be Amy. We write other if it is possible. A movie, The Little Prince. Okay, this one is a title, so we write with capital letter every word in the title. And a drink, okay, Gatorade. So this one is a title or a proper name, so you write with capital letter. If you notice, these one are particular names of person, places, or things, and you write with capitalization. Yes? Okay, so let's see. Let's review the rules of capitalization. Okay, rule number 1. Okay, first word in a sentence. Rule number 2, the word I. Rule number 3, names of days and months. Rule number 4, first word in a line of poetry. Rule number 5, holidays and special days. Rule number 6, important words in titles. Rule number 7, particular persons, places, and things. Rule number 8, words used as names. Rule number 9, names referring to God and the Bible. Rule number 10, initials. And the last one, rule number 11, title of a person before a name. Okay, so this one is a review class. Okay, excellent participation in the class. God bless your day and good luck in your evaluation. Remember, the evaluation is open, okay, until today from Saturday at 12 p.m. And it is important that you study and you check the review class and then you solve the evaluation. Okay, good luck and see you tomorrow, because tomorrow we have the EFL and the reading review class. Yes, okay, excellent day and excellent participation. Bye bye.